Did you know that nearly 90% of millionaires created their wealth through real estate? If you think real estate is only for the rich, think again, because today I'm revealing how you, yes, you, can start earning money from real estate, even if you have little to no money. Stay till the end, because success doesn't wait, and neither should you. Part 1. Why real estate is the ultimate wealth builder. Real estate is not just about owning properties. It's about controlling assets that grow over time and put money into your pocket, month after month. Appreciation. Properties increase in value over time. Your wealth grows automatically. Cash flow. Renting properties gives you monthly income without working 9 to 5. Leverage. You can use the bank's money to build your wealth faster. You pay a little, own a lot. Tax benefits. Real estate investors pay less tax legally. Depreciation, deductions, and more. And guess what? You don't need to be a millionaire to get started. You just need the right mindset. Part 2. How to earn money from real estate. Here are the top ways you can start making money in real estate, even as a beginner. 1. Rental properties. Buy a house, rent it out, and earn passive income every month. 2. House flipping. Buy cheap properties, renovate them, and sell for huge profits. 3. Airbnb are short-term rentals. Turn your property into a cash machine by renting to tourists and travelers. 4th, REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you can't buy property yet, invest small amounts into REITs and earn dividends like a landlord. Real estate creates multiple income streams. Smart people make their money work for them, while others work for money. Part 3. How to start with little or no money. No excuses. If you don't have cash, there are still ways to jump in. First is partnerships. Team up with investors. You manage the property, they fund it. Win-win. Second is seller financing. Some property owners allow you to pay them directly. No banks needed. Third is wholesaling. Find properties under market value, connect buyers and sellers, and make a commission without buying anything yourself. Remember, it's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let these mistakes kill your dreams. First is buying in bad locations. Second is underestimating renovation costs. Third is ignoring legal paperwork. Fourth is not having emergency funds. Success in real estate is simple. Buy smart, hold strong, grow forever. Real estate is not just a way to make money. It's a way to build freedom for yourself and your family. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you found even a little spark today, hit that subscribe button and join MindRise USA, because this is just the beginning. We have so many powerful videos coming up, all about making money, building real wealth, and creating the life you deserve. Let's rise together.